Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the FEPPO Waterless Essential Oil Diffuser. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this box open, on the top probably better to open up this way. On the top you're going to find a bunch of that's going to be a power and a cap here. A bunch of essential oils to choose from, different scents. You'll have instructions, a couple different caps here, or pieces for the oils, instructions. You'll have USB, a pretty long USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and then remote, and the actual diffuser here. And I think the idea here is they give you that extra cap, and those are extras obviously that come in there. They give you the cap in case you want to store stuff or have any reason to not keep it in there specifically. To me, the whole idea is that it is meant to be for cleaning, or making the air smell better. This is a USB-C input, so you will need to charge it up. You'll have a battery here. Not sure if I'm assuming we just have to have it plugged in. It's not battery operated. So I'm going to just plug this in real quick while we do it. Saw the light go on. And you actually heard a pop. And so we'll read the instructions and go from there, but I'm hearing some pops and everything like that. So we'll go ahead, put something in here. We'll get it loaded up without the cap. So we do it right. That'll fill right in, and this will then kind of just pop right in. And then it'll come through the top. So we'll go ahead and test it out. This is mainly for my son, frankly, who lives in a fraternity house, and it's not the best smelling stuff. So I want his room to be good, but we're going to demonstrate it in our house first before I give it to him. All right, so once you get one of these bottles out, they do have a little kind of cap here that you can kind of put back on if you need to, but you can just seal them. Pick one of the 5 that they offer you, pour it into here. You're then just going to place this in carefully. All right, so one thing I definitely did not do was tighten it up. So you're going to need to literally just screw this on to make sure that it works properly. And then you'll find that it goes in a lot better. We'll let this... it goes for 60 seconds, then, or takes a break for 60 seconds, and then runs for 30 on the level that I have it on, which is level 6 here. So what you'll see are in the instructions the misting control times 1 through 6, and it kind of breaks down how those look. So right now we're on level 6 of the misting, which means it's going to mist for 30 seconds and then pause for 60 seconds. And there you see the misting coming, and that's really the whole idea. And it smells great. And this will run for 30 seconds and then stop for 60 based on the current level that I have it at. And there you go. So this is going to be meant for my son, and I'm going to change kind of the timer, or change the setting here. I'm gonna be using this for my son's fraternity house as something to kind of smell a little bit better because it's a bunch of guys and it stinks, and so why not? So to me, this is really valuable, option here. Definitely worth buying. I love the waterless capabilities. It covers about 1,000 square feet. It's got a timer. It's quiet. It's got a night light, and most importantly, it's got a remote if I ever wanted to use it. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully, this review helped. Thanks for watching.